So hey guys, it's good afternoon. It's 2:35 right now in the afternoon and around 33 degrees Celsius right now. So yesterday was a hectic day for me. So today is Sunday, so just enjoying a bit of it, the 1st of September. So right now I have booked a slot for the PETRONAS Tower at 3 p.m. So I'm just walking down the road. Um, it's like around 1 kilometer from my hotel. My hotel is just right behind, and by the time I'm walking down the road, I can just talk to you. So eventually, this is my second time in KL. So before that, I came like 3 months back for some work, and this time also I'm here for like 4 days. So I will be flying back on the 3rd of night, 3rd September. So this time the weather is a bit hot, and it's usually fun to walk on the KL roads. It's nice, empty, it's peaceful, silent. It's good eventually. And also I'll show you the room tour as well. So this is on my part right now. So right now I'll just show you the way to the PETRONAS Tower, and I'll show you inside it also. So this is the first time I'm going to the PETRONAS Tower also. So we'll show you what exactly it is. And if you like it, then hit the like button. So I have reached the tower, so I'm going to the ticket counter to collect the tickets. I leave the link in the description box from where you can actually buy the tickets beforehand according to your dates and the time preferences. And based on that, they take 80 ringgits per person per adult, and 33 ringgits for children below 12 years of age. And you can see it in the description, which I will put. And then you have to go to the counter to collect your tickets, and basis on that you can go to your above basis on the slot that you have. So this is like what the outer part looks like. Yeah, see the tower, and I really like this building because it's covered in green, an eco-friendly building, and it's really good. I don't know if camera is doing the justice to capture it or not, but the building is really nice, covered with the whole green trees across it. So basically the simple fact is that you enter the Surya KLCC mall, take a right from Gucci showroom, and then there's a ticket counter which you can see over that side. So I'll just collect my tickets and take you up.
Coverage of the world's tallest twin towers. Wow. So you're now at level 41, tower number 2. In front of you, across that bridge, that is our tower number 1. So basically, this is the world's highest double-decker sky bridge, 170 meters above street level. Yeah, quite high over there. So, consisting of upper deck and lower deck. Upper deck level 42 is only reserved for our staff movement between two towers. And lower deck here, level 41, we open purposely for public visit. Okay, what is so unique about Sky Bridge? You can see all over here, yeah? Very simple mechanism here. Same on both ends of the Sky Bridge. So that means our Sky Bridge here is not fully attached with the towers. We have 10-inch gap. It's because the twin towers are designed just like any other skyscrapers. We can stand at the wind speed around 60 to 80 km per hour. So yes, we can move and sway depending on the strength of the wind blown. So as the twin towers move, our sky bridge here will act as a stabilizer for both towers. We can slide in and slide out maximum 10 inch. Yeah? Skybridge also act as a evacuation route during emergency, especially fire. So all of you will be spending very short time here, 10 minutes only, 10 minutes. Later on we call you back, your group colors is blue. We get over there inside the barricades before we send all of you here, a group, to level 86 observation deck. So that means the highest occupied level in this tower, yeah? So give us a full cooperation, we will call you back. Alright, anything to ask, any further information, just feel free to approach any one of our staff. Welcome, selamat datang everyone. Please enjoy your visit. Takes a lot of good photos and post it on your social media. Sama-sama.
That was the safety briefing which we had. So whenever you guys come, so this is something which is you have to go through the procedure. So basically from the 0th floor they came to the 41st floor, which is this bridge, if you can see. So, and you heard all the details what he told, and ऐसा लगता है ये ब्रिज दो बिल्डिंगों के बीच में इतनी ऊंचाई पे. And you can see the view behind me as well. See that? I'll show you the other part also. Just walk there. So there's some construction happening that side. Not looking that good. So basically, if you can see downstairs, so this is the Surya KLCC mall. You can see my finger, and that's a fountain, musical fountain, which actually plays during the night time. It starts at 7 p.m. and after every half an hour interval, it starts with the music and the fountain starts. So if I get time, I'll surely show you guys what exactly it is. Eventually, in fact, I was there yesterday also when I had come here to have my dinner. That time I was there but couldn't shoot because I was not carrying my camera that time. This is the way it is. So as you guys must have heard that we can be here like only for 10 minutes. So I'm just moving on to the other side. Let's catch you guys there.
Three more levels to go, so don't stop now. Follow my friend back. Mr. Miguel, come back to me.
So it's a pretty nice view of the city from here. You can see the whole, most of the part of the KL. And currently we are on the 86th floor. So I'll just take you to the other side of the observation desk. So, show you the view from there. You guys will like it from here. from the Petronas tower and now heading to the mall there. But I guess I won't be able to take my camera because it's not restricted to shoot in there. And there's one exciting thing I can show you guys here. Looks cool at the entrance. So see you guys, meet you in some while. Could not take my camera and the security purpose, and I got a bunch of stuff for me. Right now I'm just heading towards my room. So tomorrow, hopefully, since the channel name is M on Wheels, I might take out something. Let me see, I'm trying to hire a scooter or something and I'll show you guys something cool which is there. So this is my room. Just checking in now.